To dispute an error on your Credit.com report, start by obtaining a copy of your credit report from Credit.com or the 3 major credit reporting agencies: Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. Review your report carefully, checking for any inaccuracies or discrepancies, such as incorrect addresses, employment history, or account information. Next, identify the specific error you want to dispute and gather any supporting documentation, such as receipts, bank statements, or court documents. To prove the error, make a copy of your identification and the disputed item, as you will need to submit this information to the credit reporting agency. Now, contact the credit reporting agency where the error appears, either by phone, mail, or online, and inform them of the dispute. Provide the required documentation and a clear explanation of the error, including the account number and the reason for the dispute. The credit reporting agency will then investigate the dispute and verify the information with the creditor. The credit reporting agency has 30 to 45 days to investigate and respond to your dispute. If the error is found to be incorrect, it will be removed or corrected on your credit report. If the investigation finds the information to be accurate, the credit reporting agency will notify you and provide the reason for the decision. It is essential to follow up with the credit reporting agency to ensure the error has been corrected and the correction has been reported to the other credit reporting agencies. You can also consider contacting the creditor directly to dispute the error, as they may be able to correct the information and update the credit reporting agency. Best practices include keeping detailed records of your dispute, including dates, times, and correspondence with the credit reporting agency. Also, be persistent and follow up regularly to ensure the error is corrected. Remember, disputing an error on your credit report can help improve your credit score and overall financial health, so it is crucial to take the time to review your report and dispute any inaccuracies.